Sunshine.
Thank you so
So to
much.
start, how is it like doing that film?
Crazy kasi it's an advocacy that I really believe in also. So when it was offered, it was an immediate yes, despite yung role nga. Kasi syempre pag may nag-offer, maliit lang yung role, ganyan. Honestly, sometimes when the project is really strong, like I just want to be part of it. Like masabi ko lang parte ako ng pelikula na to, masaya na ako. And Sunshine is one of those projects, you know, like directed by Anton Nadame, who made a brilliant film, and Maurice was really amazing in it. Jenica was amazing. The whole cast was amazing. Papa Peach was amazing in it. So I'm just grateful and I feel blessed to be part of a movie that says so much and dami pinaglalaban, and I think it's starting a conversation. I think it was successful. When we screened it nung Berlinale, nung Feb, sa Berlin, ang hope lang namin, lahat ng tanong ay, napalabas na ba ito sa Pinas? Napalabas na ba ito? Lahat kami parang hindi namin nga alam kung mapapalabas pa namin siya because of the topic. Dahil yung censorship board dito, minsan, di ba, medyo strict sila talaga. But thankfully, nabigyan ng nationwide release and ng R60 grading. And thankful sa Filipino audience na sumuporta ng sariling atin. Alam mo yun, thankful na dumayo talaga yung mga tao sa SM Cinemas just to support this film. Kahit wala silang masyadong alam about it, aside from the cast maybe, and na gymnast or whatever. Pero they supported it. And it's not the usual, you know, Filipino hit. Pero, you know, okay, successful yung Sunshine. We had a celebratory dinner last night with Rolling Stone. And sarap ng pagkain, by the way, kung may Rolling Stone dito. Sarap. And it was very fun. Nakaka-proud si Direk Tonet. Super.
And also, balita ko, may sabi ni Director Net sa isang tweet, may mga ad-lib ka daw dito. So, paano mo nilaro yung character ni Nikki dito?
Paano nilaro? I tried to make him more human kasi syempre when you read a character like that, ang daling sabihin na, ay, ano to, sa mga ugali ng batang to, di ba? Yung parang nag-iwan sa ere, ganyan. But syempre, he's a kid, you know? How will you deal with something like that? Tapos, given pa na si Piolo Pascual tatay mo, di ba? Mababatukan ka na. And pastor pa siya doon, so doon ko china-channel yung time na yon. And during that scene lang naman, actually, a lot of it, yung last scene ko with spoiler na, nakanood na ba ng Sunshine mga tao? I think so. Yeah, kasi now on its 5th week, guys, still up. Crazy also, joke lang siya dati, pero now on its 5th week na talaga siya. Going on its 5th week. Anyway, yun na yung mga God bless ko, mga amen, yung gano'n. Kasi nandun ako I was trying to channel that energy, yung kinakabahan and wanting to say the right things for his father and also for Maurice. For Sunshine, right? So, dalawang tao piniplease niya, tapos yung amen is something na feeling ko magugustuhan ng pastor na tatay na agree ako sa'yo, so amen. Tapos kahit sa Berlin, tumawa yung mga tao, kaya sabi ko pwede talaga ako mag-comedy. Pero wala pang naniniwala. Sana po, sana po.
And yun, speaking of Nikki, of course, marami na namang nainis dito sa character mo na to, with some saying na parang lagi na lang daw, the character reworded na parang red flag na young father, yung roles ni Elijah. How do you react to those comments?
Casual take. That means hindi pa nila napapanood yung mga gawa ko. You know, that means they've only seen Senior High, they've only seen Batang Quiapo, and they've only seen Sunshine. But, not to brag, but marami na rin ako nagawang ibang characters, you know, na hindi lang pumapasok din sa archetypes na yun, sa stereotypes na yun. And ito, like, itong mga to, like, who was that? Someone told me recently, I think it was Bianca Gonzalez, na parang, she was like, you should do something na mabait ka naman. So ito na yun, guys. Mabait ako dito sa mga pelikula na to, except dito, syempre. Pero mabait ako generally sa lahat ng mga ginagawa ko nowadays. Kung hindi mo mabait, like going through something, you know, na struggling, and easier to empathize with kaysa sa mga masasamang ugali na characters medyo. So yeah, we're working on it.
Sorry, and last question na lang. Meron sa sobrang daming awards na, and dami mo nang napatunayan sa acting, meron ka bang role or project na natatakot kang tanggapin, ganyan?
Ooh. Whoa. Parang, well, so far, wala. Siyempre, like, so as a Leo, gusto ko talaga ng challenge. Gusto ko nung mahirap. Yung kapag ma-offeran ka ng something na matatakot ka, parang mas lalo kong gustong gawin. Like, kumari About Us, when it was offered, I was scared to do it. Pero mas naka-challenge lalo, mas gusto ko tuloy siyang gawin. So I guess dun din yung drive pumapasok na pag mas feeling ko hindi ko kaya, mas gusto kong gawin. So ganun yung mindset.
Thank you, Elijah.
Thank you so
Congratulations,
much.
Sunshine.
Thank you so